you are not with me today. This weather and droplets of rain were soothing today. Sitting by the side of window with a close friend, listening calm music was soothing today, but still craving for you. A dance in this rain is a still wish for me. Holding your hand to the tea stall, still wish for me. Seeing the warm cup of smile is still wish for me. Breaking up chimerical dreams, coming back to non-fictitious world. Me sitting side of me, feeling this song and exchanging the thoughts. Hey, our thoughts are even, like the wires of earphone meeting at the same point. Feeling is mutual, a smell of soil, heartwarming satisfaction, knowing someone there to listen. That world thinks shit. The bus slows down and the partition time arrived. Wishing that my house could be a little further, or the bus stop until the rain. The beautiful things stay less. The bus stop, but the song was still humming. Your presence was still missing, but wait, who are you? I haven't seen you before, but still the unusual craving of your presence is the same. Yeah, I'm missing you in these rain.